30-Day Skill Revolution, your turbocharged guide to learning anything. Hey there, future skill master. Ready to embark on an absolutely incredible learning adventure? Buckle up because we're about to turn you into a learning superhero in just 30 action-packed days. Well, here's your success blueprint, strategies that actually work. Let's go. 1. Dream big, plan smart. Imagine your end goal. Make it so exciting that it gives you butterflies. Break it down into bite-sized daily missions. Create your personal success roadmap. Bonus points for adding stickers. 2. Daily power-ups. Carve out your skill time. Even 25 minutes can work magic. Turn off those pesky distractions. Yes, that includes cute cat videos. Make it fun. Learning should feel like an adventure, not a chore. 3. Level up with digital tools. Dive into amazing free online courses. Join vibrant learning communities. Find your perfect mix of video tutorials, apps, and interactive games. 4. Track your epic journey. Celebrate every win, even the tiny ones. Keep a progress journal. Future you will be amazed. Share your victories on social media. 5. Team up for victory. Find your learning tribe online or locally. Share tips and tricks with fellow skill seekers. Challenge each other to friendly skill-offs. Remember, fantastic human, every expert started exactly where you are now. The only difference? They took that first brave step and kept going. Your new skill is waiting just around the corner, ready to become part of your personal success story. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your learning cape, summon your inner superhero, and let's make these 30 days absolutely legendary. Your future skilled self is already cheering you on. Ready, set, learn. The best time to start your 30-day challenge? Right now. Let's make some learning magic happen. All right, friends, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.